Hello class 8th. How are you doing? I hope you all are safe and sound at your places. Yesterday we discussed about various types of microorganisms. And I have told you earlier that some microorganisms are good for us, they are beneficial to us, they are our friends. And some are our enemies, they are harmful to us. So today we are going to discuss about some useful microorganisms. Let us have a look. First one is lactobacillus. Have you heard about this? Yes, many of you must have. Lactobacillus is a bacteria which helps in conversion of milk into curd. How it happens? Actually, you must have realized or you must have heard it from your mother that curd formation takes place only when the milk is lukewarm. Actually, lactobacillus is inactive in cold milk. That means it is not able to multiply, it is not able to reproduce at a cold temperature. So, how it happens? Let us have a brief recapitulation of all this. Milk has a protein casein in it. When we add lactobacillus that is present in the curd to lukewarm water, it multiplies, and during this process fermentation takes place, which results into conversion of a sugar named as lactose. Yes, you heard it right. Lactose, Lactose. It gets converted into lactic acid and thus milk becomes acidic. Under these acidic conditions, the milk protein casein starts to coagulate. Coagulation means it starts to become solid, get solidified. It clumps together to form curd. So in this way we get curd from milk. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now moving forward to the next useful microorganism, that is again our lactobacillus, and the second one is streptococcus. Both these bacteria helps in cheese and paneer formation from the milk. Third one is some bacteria helps in meat tenderization. That means they help to make it soft. The next useful microorganisms are again some bacteria which helps in the production of coffee and tobacco. There are certain algae, for example chlorella, which are used as food. Why are they used as food? Because these algae are highly rich in proteins and minerals. Again, one more use of certain red algae like Gelidium and Gracilaria. These red algae help in the formation of a jelly-like substance known as agar-agar. This agar-agar is used in the formation of ice creams, some kind of jellies, puddings, etc. The next useful microorganism is yeast. Yeast helps in making bread and cakes soft and spongy. Do you know how is dough for this cakes, bread prepared? Yes, it is prepared by mixing a little sugar to the flour and adding some water to make it like a dough consistency. Then this is placed at a warm place where the yeast breaks down the sugar into carbon dioxide and alcohol. This carbon dioxide released during the process of fermentation makes the dough spongy and soft. So what is this process of fermentation? This process was first discovered by Louis Pasteur in the year 1857. This is the process of conversion of sugar into alcohol by the action of certain microbes on it, and it is known as fermentation. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video tutorial.